Okay, this is Jose Blanco again, talking about thesis statements and the types of thesis statements that you could write. We went over a thesis statement for this topic, a place you would like to visit but may not appeal to others. And I suggested that this had a contrast relationship, and you could use the word but, however, and although. Now, but is called a coordinating conjunction. You don't have to remember that yet, but that's what it's called. It's one of the fanboys, if you're familiar with that term. How many people have heard the term fanboys? Oh, it's a popular term, huh? That's called a mnemonic device. All right. I would like to visit the Dominican Republic because of its rich culture and natural beauty, comma, but others might not want to because of its extreme poverty. And notice that the topic of your essay is addressed in your thesis statement. You have to do that, all right? You have to do that. So using but is one way of doing it. Now, how do you do it with however? The same way. Watch. You keep the same words, except instead of using but, it would be something like this. I would like to visit the Dominican Republic because of its rich culture and natural beauty. Semicolon, however, and what needs to go after the however? Comma, very good. Semicolon, however, comma, others might not want to because of its extreme poverty. This is called a conjunctive adverb. Again, you don't have to remember that yet. Joy, but do you think you can remember conjunctive adverb? Yes. All right, repeat after me, conjunctive adverb. Okay. Excellent. All right? So, I would like to visit the Dominican Republic because of its rich culture and natural beauty. Semicolon, however, comma. The two most common conjunctive adverbs establish contrast and causality. They are however and therefore. So, repeat after me, please. Semicolon. Semicolon. However. Comma. Semicolon, however, comma.
Semicolon, however, comma.
You're not going to forget that, are you? Sometimes I ask classes to repeat it 2 and 3 times, but that's excessive. I'm not going to do that. All right? So that's two ways, two words that you can use that semantically, in terms of meaning, they're the same, but you punctuate them differently. What about although? That's my favorite, frankly. Yes, sir. Renzo.
I think it's comma and then semicolon after.
No.
Semicolon, however, comma. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me just put that there. Is that what you mean? All right, that's right. Okay, good. Now, although is my personal favorite. Why? I don't know. I just like it. So let me go ahead and erase this. Now, the word although is called a subordinate conjunction. The word although is called a subordinate conjunction or subordinating conjunction. Meaning one idea is subordinate, less important than the other idea. And the word although introduces that idea. Now, of these two ideas, a place you would like to visit but may not appeal to others, which one is the least important? May not appeal to others. Very good. What's your name? Larissa. That's right. You're the drama. That's right. Drama person. Core refrain. South Dade. Okay. That's right. Remember this, always. Never, ever, ever put a comma after the word although at the beginning of a sentence. Write that down. Never put a comma after the word although at the beginning of a sentence. It's wrong. It's a wrong use of punctuation. So, as Larissa correctly suggested, the subordinate idea is that others may not want to go there. So I'm going to start like this. Although some people may not want to visit the Dominican Republic because of its extreme poverty. And notice there's no apostrophe in its just ITS. All right? That's possessive because of its extreme poverty. Okay? Let me use another marker. subordinate clause, after the clause or the group of words with a subject and a verb that introduces the least important idea, the subordinate idea, you put a comma. So although, comma. Don't put the comma here. Can you all agree that you're not going to put the comma there? Okay, good. I would like to travel there. To experience its rich culture and natural beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Good. Sometimes I have to spell things out for myself. All right, good. So we have the two ideas. We have the subordinate idea, the least important idea, introduced by a subordinating conjunction, although, and we have the main idea at the end, after the subordinate clause. Y'all understand this? So far? So far, so good. All right. Now, and again, this thesis statement indicates that you may want to have three paragraphs in your body, which is 1, here we go, because of its extreme poverty, 2, rich culture, and 3, natural beauty. Thesis statement, the last sentence of your introductory paragraph, 3 body paragraphs, 1 dealing with the poverty, and you would deal with that first because you mentioned it first, 2, the rich culture, and 3, the natural beauty. And ladies and gentlemen, for the graded essay you are going to write today, I want everyone to use the word although as your word that indicates a contrast. So your thesis statement must start with the word although. Today. All right, let me go ahead and turn this off.